What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Today we are at the California Cars pop-up meet. There's a bunch of crazy cars already, so I'm gonna go through all the cars, show you guys all the cars. I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Comment down below what was your favorite car at this car meet. So let's go. Oh my gosh, bro, the whole gas station's already flooded. And starting off, we got a beautiful M3 CS. Damn, that's just nice. On the HREs, sheesh, we got a frozen blue M3 CS. Damn, that's just nice. I love the fitment. What's up, G? What are you doing? Coding?
Stay on the side. Bro, look how sick it is, man.
Wow, that's fire. Rich. Look at there, making money. Wherever he goes.
The DSC.
Rich. That is sick ass G80 M3 Eiselman green. Damn, with the carbon ceramic brakes, it's like a $118,000 car. But yeah, as you can see, this whole entire gas station is flooded. We got an F10 M5, Estoril blue. Hella nice. We got the Corvette. It's pretty cool. We got a lot of different cars here. You got everything here. Sheesh. We pulled up in the BMW X7 Brooklyn Gray. Clean. We rolling low key today, guys. We're in the loaner car. Nikon's M8 is in the shop right now, so we're rolling in this thing. But as you can see, there's just a bunch of cars taking over this gas station. F80 M3, G83 Brooklyn Gray, G80 M3 Toronto Red with the white comfort seats. Red on white is super nice. Carbon roof. This is clean. We got a C63 AMG in red. That's clean. We got a G80 M3 frozen gray. That's nice paint right there. But it's a manual because when they're competition, they come automatic. When they're non-comps, it means they're manual. It's pretty sick though. Frozen gray. We got the homie John's BMW M2. Super clean. Brand new M2. That shit's clean. On BBSs as well. Super clean. Got the yellow DRLs already too on there. That's just clean. We got a G82 M4. White. 2024 because it's got the full screen. It's just clean, yo. Very nice. We got the C63S. Okay, I see you. It's just clean. But yeah, guys, as you can see, this whole gas station has been taken over. There's cars parking everywhere. Not everybody can fit in here. And I have a feeling it's gonna get shut down real quick. Another G83 M4 convertible with the red interior. That's pretty clean too. I just hate like how BMW made the convertibles a soft top. I wish they would have kept it like hard top. It would have been hard top, it would have been so much cleaner. It literally would look like a coupe. Oh, then the cop heard somebody revving it. There's the cop right there. Look, guys. Right there. The cop is there about to kick everybody out right now. Watch. Oh my, that's it. Cops are done. Kicking everybody out. Oh my. I don't know what he's saying, but I think he's telling everybody you gotta get out of this freaking gas station that we took over. There's two cops now, guys. Two of them. They want everybody to start leaving now. Didn't even last a few minutes.
Kevin.
That's my name.
Oh no, it's because you're coming out.
Oh, my bad. I was like, sheesh. Everybody dipping out of here, bruh. That's a clean M3 CS. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's a third one. There's a third one. Highway Patrol. Bro, they literally... Oh my god, bro. Ridge. That's just fire, dude. That's such a clean M3 CS. Dude. Woo. Damn, this one's clean, bro. The yellow DRLs, that's just fire, my guy. But yeah, as you can see, everybody's starting to clear out from the gas station. Everybody's bouncing out of here. Everybody's leaving. Hey, they're gonna get you, G. You gotta go. Yeah. Oh, damn, he running no plates too? Stay rev, G, stay rev. As you can see, everybody's clearing out of this gas station so freaking fast. It's actually crazy. That means we gotta hop in the whip. We gotta go to the second spot. I think they already dropped the second address. Woo. Gunshots. Oh my. He's gonna stop somebody. Damn. Oh my god. Bro. What? Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. No way. Oh my gosh, bro. There's no way, dude. It's literally at a hairline. It's literally... Oh my gosh, dude. There's no way. Shit. Bro, do you see these two?
Yeah, what are they doing?
Bro, they're literally head to head, like almost about to hit each other. You gotta check it out. You literally gotta see how close they are. I don't know. They're literally going back and forth fighting. Smoker shit, bro. What are they doing, dude? Oh my god. E46 M3, G83. Very nice.
Because of you! Yeah, they're doing it because of you, Besides that, when you rent California cars, they're cool. California cars, and we got our answer. We're out, guys.
Everybody's screwed.
That's all I'm gonna say. You just gotta give it a
Just know what he's doing?
Just go follow Chris. Alright guys, they moved it to here. I think this is the last location, so hopefully it doesn't get burnt out.
What was that?
I think it was the, I don't know. Damn, that's a cleanup. What the Oh my gosh, bro. He just had it wrapped in blue. That shit looks crazy. Oh my god. He needs to lower it though. He needs to lower it. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Come on, man. You good. Go.
You're good. You're good. Rich. What's up? What's going on? Look at how this thing looks, guys. Damn, that shit looks hard, yo. I love the way it says Cyber Beast, all that stuff. It looks crazy. Wow, dude. Rich! That shit looks tough.
Look at that back door right there. We're telling them about that.
That looks sick, bro. The color is nice.
That looks good.
Yeah, it looks fire.
Like every other.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.